Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Giselle, and it is day 5 of HoliSLAY. So if you guys are tuning in to this video for the first time, or this is the first time you have seen my lovely face, what up fam? My name is Giselle, and during this whole week I have been uploading holiday looks for you to recreate or get inspired to do for any of your holiday festivities. I've done glitter looks, I've done matte looks, I've done glitter liner, so definitely I'll have the playlist pop up right here so you guys can go through and enjoy my other 4 videos. So for today, I have this super simple, easy, neutral matte look with a pop of glitter in our line or in our crease. And for today's video, I use the Morphe 3502 palette. You can still get this palette everywhere, Morphe.com, Ulta.com. I think I've still seen it in stores, but this palette is still very much not new-ish. It's probably been on the market for like a year and a half or so, but you can still get this palette anywhere. And definitely if you can't find the Morphe 35O palette, the original, this is a great like step up or addition or foot in the door. It has great crease colors, great neutral colors. You can really do a lot of things with this palette, especially if you're not a huge color person, you're more natural side. This palette is the bomb. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this series, and let's get on to the look. So we have already put the brick shade. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But we're gonna put this brick shade in our eye, and it's gonna be as our crease color. So we want to make sure that is nice and packed on. Next, we're gonna take Rich and Toast, mix them together, and that is going to be in our outer V, just to deepen it up. I'm gonna switch brushes. And then we're gonna take a nice clean fluffy blending brush and just blend all of that out. Next, we're gonna take our concealer, and this is the Fenty Beauty concealer, and we are gonna cut our crease. After we cut our crease, we're gonna take that universal shade and just set it. For liner, we're gonna go in, for the glitter liner, we're gonna go in with that Morphe Flare. It's like a liquid glitter. It's not available anymore because I got this last year at a during their holiday set. They were selling some glitters at Ulta. I haven't seen it anymore. I looked online and I haven't seen it, but I believe CoverGirl has a good alternative. I'll leave a picture right here so you guys can see the alternative that you can use for this glitter. And we're just gonna put that glitter all over in our crease. And you got to be sure that you let this dry before you look up, especially if you have hooded eyes. Next, we're going to go in with eyeliner and do a nice little wing. So I popped on some lashes, thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But if you want to see me put on lashes, then you can check out my last video on the black glitter eyeshadow I did. I put lashes on that video. But I really hope you guys have enjoyed all of the videos in my HoliSLAY series. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas or holiday season, whatever you celebrate. I hope it is with family and friends, full of love and laughter. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Happy holidays.